My name is Jacquez Lockett, and this is the Chick-fil-A Consultation. First off, customer experience needs to be at all-time high for there to be an executable strategy to become even a bigger presence in the fast food chain. For customer experience enhancement, Chick-fil-A could focus on continually improving the customer experience through friendly service, cleanliness, and efficient operations, reinforcing Chick-fil-A's reputation for exceptional service. Menu innovation is also another path. Regularly introduce new menu items while maintaining core offerings to attract diverse customer preferences and drive repeat visits. Digital transformation is the investment in digital technologies such as mobile ordering, delivery partnerships, and loyalty programs to enhance convenience and to cater to changing consumer behaviors. The next step is behind the scenes improvement. Sustainability initiative. Implement sustainable practices across operations including waste reduction, energy efficiency, and responsible sourcing, aligning with evolving customer expectations and corporate social responsibility goals. Franchisee support and training. This provides comprehensive support and ongoing training programs for franchisees to ensure consistent quality service and adherence to Chick-fil-A's value and standards. Then you can never go wrong with community engagement. This deepens community involvement through local initiatives, sponsorships, and partnerships, fostering strong connections and brand loyalty among consumers. Then Chick-fil-A has to definitely set up the future to create longevity within the fast food chain. And this could start with international expansion. This develops a strategy roadmap for international expansion, considering market dynamics, cultural nuances, and competitive landscapes to ensure successful training, entry into new markets. Next is health and wellness options. Expand menu offerings to include healthier alternatives and transparent nutritional information, catering to health-conscious consumers and addressing evolving dietary trends. Everyone doesn't eat fried chicken sandwiches or fried nuggets. Some people want a grilled chicken sandwich or a salad. This can all tend to those that have a different diet than the normal consumer that will go and get a chicken sandwich or fried nuggets from Chick-fil-A. Next is understanding the market. And this can start with supply chain resilience. Strengthen supply chain resilience by diversifying sourcing channels, implementing risk management protocols, and leveraging technology for real-time monitoring agility. Next is localized marketing strategies. This tailors marketing efforts to specific regional purposes and demographics, utilizing data-driven insights and targeted campaigns to maximize impact and relevance. Next is the digital marketing optimization. Optimization digital marketing channels, including social media, email marketing, and search engine optimization to enhance brand visibility, engagement, and conversation rates. If you want Chick-fil-A to even grow larger than what it already is, you need to have it on billboards, commercials, poster cards, or just like the old days, little small pieces of paper in businesses around a nearby Chick-fil-A, just to have Chick-fil-A always on somebody's mind and always somebody's option when they need something to eat. And then these are the references that I used for my presentation. Again, Chick-fil-A is already a mongrel in the fast food chain, but there's always room for improvement and there's always things you can change. And you also have to diversify your options to stay relevant and have longevity. And with this plan, I believe that Chick-fil-A can do just that.